our purchase of Longin qPCR system. Today, we will learn how to use optimum design and analysis software. Firstly, let's take a look at how to create a new protocol. Click the New button and enter the Properties page. Here, we can edit the experiment name and select the type of experiment we need to use, and then select the reagent dye to be used, and then we enter the protocol editing page to modify the parameters and the reaction volume of the program. For example, we want to change it to 58 degrees here by input 58 degrees directly. The diamond icon in this step indicates that the current step will collect the fluorescence collection. After our program is edited, we can click Next to advance the plate editing page. The plate editing page defines the name of the target gene to be tested and the name of the sample placed in each sample well. First, we select the sample well position on the right. For example, if the sample we put in is the first column and the 12th column, then we select the first column and then hold down Ctrl to select the 12th column. After selecting the sample well position, we need to tick the target name and add the target name to the well position. We can modify the target name here. For example, American swine fever virus can be changed to ASFV. Click OK. If we need to detect other fluorescent dyes, we can add another target. Click Add, and for the dye, select Hex, which is a second channel dye, and then tick the check mark in front of the target name. Then, our first row of the wells and the 12th row of the wells will simultaneously detect two target genes corresponding to the two fluorescent dyes, and then we can fill in the sample name of each well below. If we need to add some negative and positive controls, then we can define the type of well. For example, select the first well to change the type. Select from the Type drop-down list to represent the negative control, and then select the last well. We expand Type drop-down list, then select plus in the list to represent the positive control. After the target name and example name of each well had been added, we can directly click Next, open the Run page to run or save it as a template to facilitate the next run of the same experimental program. We click here to save, and then the template can be saved in a place that is easy to find, such as the desktop. When we open this software next time, we don't need to create a new program from the first step. We could directly click the new drop-down key, select the template file, double-click to open the template, and rename a new experiment. When waiting for the program start to run, the running page will display the estimated remaining time, and the graph of amplification curve will be displayed as below. We can also open another data for analysis when another program is running in real time. In Results Analysis page, we could view the amplification curve and the well position map to zoom in or zoom out the curve. We could also change the curve color for each well to facilitate our observation. We could also modify the position of the threshold line according to our needs. Click on the threshold line and drag up and down to change its position. After we finished the analysis, we can click to save the result, and then click Export to export the experimental data in different formats. Or we could choose to analyze negative and positive according to the CT value, and then we can directly export the analysis report in PDF or Word format. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please email to us for further help.